Day 6, it's Wednesday. We're leaving the van parked up here at the Townsville Big 4, and we're going to go catch the ferry over to Magnetic Island. We're on the ferry to Magnetic Island. There's Townsville back there. And here we are. This is Cockleshell Beach. Finding coconuts and trying to get coconuts out of the tree. Aren't you meant to climb it? We're checking out West Bay. Lots of shells. What have you got, James? Oh, look at this. Huge trees. This is Picnic Bay. We made it. I towed the kids on a pool noodle way out there to the snorkel trail, like an anchor. It's pretty rough. We did the first and the second, and the visibility's not the best today, so we might try again tomorrow. This is at Jeffrey Bay after the snorkel trail. It'll walk around to the edge of the bay. Starting the Forts walk. We're trying to be the first person to spot a koala in the wild. So we'll see how we go. Who's going to spot a koala in the wild? A real live one. Or one on the summit. Let's try and spot one. That's a koala. Alive. This is where they stored some ammunition, and that's where the gun used to sit. Point out into the coast down there. This is the rangefinder. Sleeping. We've just walked 2 k's-ish up and down a lot of steep hills at 12 o'clock in the middle of the day to come to this. Florence Bay. Can't get here by car anymore, you have to walk in. So we're leaving Florence Bay. How was that exploring? Good. Played at the beach for a while, over an hour. Now we're going to head this way for 3 kilometers and head back towards Horseshoe Bay. Hopefully passing, what are they called? Radical Bay and Balding Bay. We'll see how we go. Hopefully it's not as hilly as the one in. This is Radical Bay. Radical Bay. Okay, I think we've broken the children and we've done about 75,000 steps, but we're almost at Horseshoe Bay. I think my knees are going to need a day to recover from doing 1,000,000 steps. Lots of stairs, but we're here. Oh, civilization, civilization. Horseshoe Bay. You can hear that over my puffing and panting. Whew. So we left at midday and it's now pretty much 4 p.m. That included a stop at, we're going to go Florence Bay for a swim for a bit and a snorkel. Now for a drink and some ice cream. And the reward for the hike, some lemonade. Give it a try. Try it, what do you think?
It tastes like lemon soda.
Yeah. Hey Zoe, show me your tooth. Did you eat your tooth?
Yeah.
Nice. Where are we? Magnetic Island, and you've lost your 3rd tooth.
Alright, yes, that's his tail, just here. Yes, that's his little tail, it's about this big. Yeah, he can't do too much with it, can he? Alright, thankfully he doesn't wag it because that would look very bizarre. Alright, girlfriend, so hand out, and then you're going to bring this hand here for me. Perfect. There you go. Perfect. So keep your hand out like this. So you don't have to squeeze her. She's going to do whatever she wants with that tail. But might just unravel it a little bit. And then we might give you a bit of a cuddle around the back. How does that sound? Yeah? The besties. Sorry. So she will sort of come around. If she gets too close to your face, guys, take a breath. Please don't freak out and throw her. She does not like flying. But she will just sort of come up nice and close because she's used to us holding her. That is incredibly old. Does anyone know what I'm holding? A frilly, perfect. So this guy's, his name is Frilly Ray Cyrus. All right? Yes, quite the name. He is a favourite, aren't you, my boy? Yes, you are. And he does look incredibly old, guys, so don't hold that against him. Okay. Good man. All right. So guys, this is Eddie. And I'm just going to groom him while I talk because he's got leaves stuck to his spikes. Pretty cool. Now echidnas are found in the monotreme family. I'll just show off his little nose because it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at his little nose. He's just beautiful.
We're just at Picnic Bay exploring. On the rocks, we've walked all the way along there. And Andy is fishing on the jetty.
This guy here still has a chance of living. Yeah. This is my fishing contraption. I found all of this stuff.
So what have you got? You've got a hook, some sinkers, all the line.
And then at the very end, I have a sink kind of bucket so my hand doesn't come off.
So you can hold on to it.
Yeah.
Okay, throw it in. We're waiting for Fudge. So we're back from Magnetic and we're just staying at the Townsville Big Four again for one night. Are you going to go on the slide? Those are the ones. Saturday, first day of state school holidays. Riveting game of mini golf happening here. It is intense. Third shot, can he make it? The pressure is on. Oh, and he choked. Okay, Zoe's up. It's an unorthodox style.